repairs are a fact of life for anyone with a vehicle. Though most mechanics are trustworthy, some are out to make a quick buck by providing services you don't want or need. Here is how you can avoid fraudulent auto repairs. Ask questions and don't be pressured into making on-the-spot decisions. Technicians may try to upsell you services that aren't critical to your car's performance. Take your time, do some research, and call a trusted friend if you are not sure what to do. Even when it's a small job, make sure to get a written estimate from the mechanic before they start working on your car. This way, you have a legal recourse if they charge you for work you never approved. And don't be afraid to get a second opinion at a different shop. A good mechanic will show you their work. Be suspicious if they refuse to show you what they are doing. For more fraud tips, go to aarp.org/fraudwatchnetwork. And make sure to tune into RFD-TV the third Thursday of each month for Rural America Live with AARP.